Trent Packer here with New Tab Marketing, coming at you with another Marketing Tip Monday. Do you want to make money online? Are you wondering, how do I make money with the presence that I have online? That's what we're going to talk about today. So I just had someone leave my office, a group of girls that have a really awesome content. They have about 11,000 followers on Instagram. They have a great YouTube where they have over like 80,000 views and about 2,000 subscribers. And they've been doing it for the last couple of years, and they've been, making just a few $100s a month. And so they came to me with the question, how do we make more money? And it was an awesome conversation because the first thing that I started out with was, what does the data tell us we are allowed to do? And so we went through the Instagram analytics because that's where their biggest audience is. And this is where it gets crazy because they have 1,300 people who see their stories, and 1,000 of those will swipe up. I've never seen that ratio before in my life. And then their posts, they have a really high engagement, but more importantly, they have a lot of traffic to the website. Right now, they're not selling anything. They're trying to sell products and affiliates, and so but they're just kind of scraping by. They're almost losing interest in what they're doing. So it was a really awesome conversation because we start out with the data, we look at what's possible and what we can promise and see what the possibilities are. Then we come up with the ideas, and we base it on stuff that we've done in the past that's generated over 6 or 7 figures, or we base it on other people that are in their field, and we just duplicate what they're doing and then refine it as we go along. There are a ton of different ways to make money online, and some that are actually pretty simple. And so you can turn your passion or your business into a moneymaker and do it appropriate so you're not a sellout. If you have a business, especially that you're wondering how do we get more revenue, that's first and foremost how we like to start. If you have a business and are already trying to make money, you're perfect to work with us. If you're an influencer and wanting to know how to generate more brand deals, talk to us because we've got companies that are ready to rock and roll for brand deals. If you are just someone who has a big audience and high engagement, we can help you out with that and how to potentially move into a monetization that's outside of ads and outside of third party, where you get to control what happens and how much cash you generate. So that is our marketing tip for today. And if you have any questions, be sure to contact us, Trent at newtabmarketing.com, or be sure to click on our website. So that is some ways that you can make some money online. This is Trent Packer signing out for now. See ya.